Yes, dude! Let's fucking go! Oh my god, yes! Yes, dude! That was attempt 10 from 0 today. Oh, thank god. Thank you. That was my first attempt at KWMS today. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so happy I beat it. Let's fucking go! Oh my god, I got so nervous there. Ah, that feels so good. That feels so great. Oh my god. Like and Extreme Demon, and we gotta put that in the My Extreme Demons. Alright then, let's count out the attempts, add the level to the document, and talk about it for a bit. Okay, so Hurricane in total took 1,769 attempts. Nice. So I've decided to place Hurricane at number 8 in my top 10, which means that finally Roby is out of my top 10. That is pretty cool. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I forgot to record me placing it right here, so that's why this is kind of weird, I guess. And Hurricane is also in the GDDP, so I had to check it off here as well, of course. So I just need one more level, and then I have Platinum rank. Let's go! And you know, this level is pretty cool, so I'm gonna place it in my favorite extremes. I'll probably place it at number 4 actually. So Hurricane by Bionox and more. This is the second level, I think, in Bionox's Weather Trilogy. And I think most of those levels are pretty cool, but I think Hurricane is definitely the best one out of all of them. It has fabulous decoration and great gameplay in some parts. The section from 65 to roughly 78 is pretty bad gameplay. It's very buggy. There are also some bugs in some of the other parts in the level, but they're not nearly as bad. It's mainly those few parts in the second half that I don't really like that much. I got very unlucky on the level. 40 deaths past 70, that is a lot. But I did still like most of the level. I think it's pretty cool, and I would recommend it to you guys as well. So I'm probably gonna give this an 8 out of 10 enjoyment. Again, could have been higher if I didn't get as unlucky, but whatever, it could have also been worse. But that'll probably be it for me today, so thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye!